Welcome to this week's business update. November is a month of connection, education, and vision. And this week is full of opportunities to grow your business and inspire your teams. From BOGOs to new training resources, did you hear me say BOGOs? And a can't miss event on the horizon. There's something here for everyone. So let's dive in. It's BOGO week, the most powerful time to connect with your customers and engage with builders here in North America, in the US and Canada. In the US, we have 5 strong pairings plus a BOGO bundle, including favorites like Adaptiv, Deep Blue, Lavender, and On Guard. Remember, bundle buyers also receive a free Navy wellness bag. Adding even more value to your November savings, when you buy the BOGO bundle or when you place a 175 PV order, you can also qualify to receive Wild Orange, Clove, and Siberian Fir. In Canada, your pairings are completely unique, featuring powerhouse duos like Immortelle, Neroli Touch, and Serenity and Balance. Every 150 PV order unlocks a free Osmanthus Touch, adding an extra layer of value and luxury to your week. Plus, with each qualifying BOGO bundle, you'll also receive the Deluxe Bamboo Box, a beautifully crafted storage piece designed to hold and display your favorite essential oils. This is the week to help your teams lead with value, follow with connection, and remind customers that each drop of oil tells a story of care. Share daily BOGO highlights. Show how you use your oils and invite your community to join you. BOGO Week is the best opportunity for you not only to see sales climb in your business, but to take advantage of Double Up Fast Start. This is huge. doTERRA is paying 40% to you in Fast Start. Now, how do you qualify for that? You need 3 enrollments of 100 PV in the month of November. Now, I believe you can do that during BOGO Week. We have such incredible offers. Don't miss this chance to get 40% back on your enrollments, all of your Fast Start earnings during the month of November. My invitation to you is to go out there and share these amazing deals during BOGO Week. These bundles are incredible and they will lead you to Double Up Fast Start. As we move from sharing products to strengthening our business foundation, we're introducing 3 new doTERRA compensation plan videos that make sharing the business easier than ever. Whether you're teaching new builders, doing team calls, one-on-one mentoring sessions, builder launch events, workshops, or talking to someone that has never heard of direct sales, we have options for you. Watch and share these videos throughout the week. And as you do, notice who comes to mind to share them with. And speaking of what's next, let's talk about Leadership Retreat 2026. Today is the final day to grab your early bird ticket. It's happening March 9th through the 11th in beautiful San Diego, and it's more than just a retreat. It's a space for clarity, inspiration, and connection that will remind you of why you started this journey in the first place. Leadership Retreat is one of my favorite events with doTERRA. It is an event where every time I get to come and it feels like a family reunion with all of you who are building doTERRA and every day sharing these amazing gifts of the earth. It's a place where you can refill your cup so that you're ready to go out and pour that cup into the lives of people who need it, who need the energy and the love that comes from you and that comes from our amazing products. Even if you're still working toward qualification, register now with the belief that you belong in this room. Sometimes saying yes to your future is exactly what helps you grow into it. The early bird price of $79 ends tonight. I want you to see this as more than a ticket. It's a commitment to yourself, to your vision, and to what's possible when you keep going. I can't wait to see you there. Remember, every small action you take builds connection and momentum for what's ahead. Have an incredible week. We'll see you next time.